Who's a naughty girl?
Where's my camera?
I don't know. Where's your camera, Link?
Okay.
Hi, Emmy.
Where's my camera? Where's my camera?
Camera. Hi, Emerson. I don't know. Where'd you put it?
Where's my camera, Papa? I can't find it.
I think maybe Papa got it for you. Oh, great. Look who's got the remotes. You can take a picture, Mama? Cheese! Cheese! Emerson.
Look.
Ooh, that's a nice picture. Emmy.
No.
No. Uh-oh, did you drop your remote? Did you take a picture?
I took a picture of the soda.
Of the soda? Let me see. Show me your picture. Show me your picture. Oh, that's a nice picture.
Hey.
Uh-oh, did you shut it off? Emmy, the remotes don't go on the floor. Did you toot? I heard you. Emerson tooted. Linky, what do you think? I got a picture of the TV now? That's nice. Ah! Ah! Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? Ah, ah, ah. Wow, what else is that, Linky? Is that the table? Emmy. Emerson.